Now, work done in various process: isochoric, isobaric, free expansions. W is equal to 0, del U is equal to Q is equal to N Cv del T. Isobaric, W is equal to negative P external V2 minus V1. Free expansions, P external is equal to 0, W is equal to 0, del U is equal to 0, Q is equal to 0. Now isothermal, del T is equal to 0, del U is equal to 0. For ideal gas, Q is equal to negative W. Here W is work done. Reversible isothermal, irreversible isothermal, W reversible iso is equal to minus nRT ln V2 upon V1 is equal to minus nRT ln P1 upon P2. W irreversible iso is equal to minus P external nRT upon P2 minus nRT upon P1. Adiabatic, Q is equal to 0, del U is equal to W is equal to N Cv del T. W is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 upon gamma minus 1. Gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv. Then Cp, molar heat capacity at the constant pressure. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Cv is equal to molar heat capacity at constant V. For reversible adiabatic, Pv gamma is equal to constant ideal gas Tv to power R minus 1 constant ideal gas. For irreversible adiabatic process, del U is equal to minus P external V2 minus V1 N CVM T2 minus T1 is equal to minus P external dot NR in bracket T2 upon P2 minus T1 upon P1. Process expressions for W, expressions for Q, del U, del H. Work on PV negative graph.